You need a water heater to meet several needs in daily course of life. Modern electric water heaters are efficient performer. These equipments provide faster hot water supply. These modern electric water heaters are tankless. As such, there is no need to power on to control the inside temperature of the tank. You can switch on and get instant hot water whenever you want. An efficient temperature control board of a tankless water heater powers the heating process. The system can stand to its previous stage when you turn off the tap. These are a little bit expensive than the customary water heaters. But if you consider overall expenses, including monthly electric bill, a tankless water heater may seem much more cost-effective. Besides, these are small equipments and don't need huge space for installation. In a single word, purchasing of such equipments can be extremely beneficial. Follow the given instructions before you make purchasing. Consider the size of water heater according to your family requirement. Tankless water heaters are famous because of their energy efficiency. Make sure that you purchase is energy efficient. See the energy efficiency labels provided by the manufacturer. You should choose a heater based on the installation types. It is better to ask any local Hickory NC plumbing store to provide installation service. The current market provides two kinds of water heaters. These are tankless electric heater and tankless gas heater. The first is most popular because of its affordable cost.